On this channel, I've made a lot of pen spinning tutorials. Some are hard, some are easy, and some are complicated. But the one that I'm going to teach you today, the process is the easiest, but successful execution is the toughest. Only the most patient people can successfully do this trick. And this is what the pen spin looks like. So in order to do this, the first step is to hold the pen in the writing position. Now I'm going to use my index finger and the corner of my thumbnail to press the pen from both sides. And when I feel the pressure is right, I slide my thumb under the pen. And since the nail has very less friction, the pen flicks out in a circular motion and spins on top of my hand. Now this definitely looks easy, but the toughest part is to actually spin the pen on top of the hand. And it took me few months to actually get better at it, and even still, I drop my pen sometimes while doing this spin. Abey yaar. Now I didn't have any guide, so it took me quite a long time. But after learning it the harsh way, I'm sharing these few tips which will help you to get to this point faster than me. Tip number 1. Sit on a bed while starting to learn this spin. As at the beginning, you're going to drop the pen more times than you can count. And I broke a lot of pens because of that. Tip number 2. As soon as you get good at flicking the pen in a circular motion, try doing that with different pens, so you can figure out which pen works for you the best. Tip number 3. Once you can flick the pen properly, try to maintain the spin on top of your hand for as many rotations as you can, and practice doing that. And finally, tip number 4. After you figure out how much you can spin the pen in one flick, try grabbing the pen back before it falls. Combining all these 4 tips, you might be able to do this pen spin even better than what I can do right now. And also, I've seen that putting my arm in the resting position helps in doing the spin easily and also reduces the risk of damaging anything. Because that way, I spin the pen right on the tabletop or just on top of some flat surface. And if it falls directly onto it. And this way, this pen spin can be done.